Before buying a hot chocolate maker, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Electric Milk Frother 4-in-1. The Electric Milk Frother, a 4-in-1 milk steamer priced at $38.24. What caught my attention is its ability to make both warm and cold froth, which is perfect if you like to switch up your drinks. If you want a simple way to whip up a delicious hot chocolate, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This frother has a 350 milliliter capacity, which is great for making enough hot chocolate for a couple of mugs. It can quickly heat milk to your desired temperature, so you don't have to worry about burnt milk on the stove. Plus, the automatic operation means you just press a button and let it do the work for you. With over 600 units sold just last month, it's clear that people are loving this convenience. Now, some people complained about the frother not being powerful enough for thicker mixtures. Here's the thing though, if you're just making regular hot chocolate, it does a fine job. If you're trying to mix in chunks of chocolate, you might need to do a bit of prep work first. This is perfect for you if you're a casual hot chocolate drinker who enjoys the ease of frothing. Skip this one if you need something that can handle heavy-duty mixing or thick textures. For the price, it's a solid value for occasional use. Now, if the frothing power bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its larger capacity.
Product number 2, Large Capacity Milk Frother. We have the Milk Frother and Steamer, which comes in at $99.99. Its large 900 milliliter capacity really caught my eye, especially if you're entertaining or just enjoy a big mug of hot chocolate. If you're looking for something that can serve a crowd, this is worth your serious attention. What makes this model stand out is its detachable design, making cleaning a breeze. You can easily remove the jug and pop it in the dishwasher. This means you won't dread the cleanup process after a cozy night in with friends. Plus, it heats milk quickly and efficiently, ensuring you get a perfect cup in no time. With over 500 units sold recently, it's clearly catching on with those who want more than just a single serving. Now, some users mentioned that the machine can take a while to froth thicker mixtures. Here's the thing though, it's perfect for regular hot chocolate or lattes where you want consistent frothiness without hassle. This is ideal for you if you often host or just can't get enough hot chocolate. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact or if you rarely make hot drinks. Considering its size and functionality, it's a great investment for frequent use. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want advanced features.
Product number 3, Mastery House Milk Frother. The Mastery House Milk Frother is next on the list, priced at $50.95. What grabbed my attention is its smart touch control, which adds a modern twist to your hot chocolate making experience. If you're into tech and want precise control over your froth, this one is definitely worth checking out. This frother offers multiple settings, allowing you to make everything from thick foam to warm milk. It has a memory function, so it remembers your last setting, which is super convenient. With a 600-watt motor, it's powerful enough to handle whatever you throw at it, whether it's a classic hot chocolate or a fancy mocha. Given that over 200 have been bought recently, it seems like people are excited about these cooler features. Now, some users reported that the touch controls can be a bit sensitive and sometimes don't respond well. Here's the thing, once you get used to it, it becomes intuitive, but it might require a little patience at first. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with froth styles or want a more hands-on approach. Skip this one if you prefer straightforward, no-fuss machines. For the features it offers, the price is pretty reasonable. Now, if the tech features intrigued you, wait until you hear about the next product that brings even more utility.
Product number 4, 8-in-1 Milk Frother. The 8-in-1 Milk Frother, priced at $159.99. I was really impressed by its multiple temperature settings and its larger capacity of 600 milliliters. If you want a versatile appliance that can do it all, this one might just be what you're looking for. This frother can handle everything from hot chocolate to chilled milk, making it perfect for any season. Its detachable design makes cleaning simple, and it's also dishwasher safe. With 3 temperature settings, you can customize your drinks to your liking. Plus, it has an impressive build quality, which is reflected in its popularity, over 200 units sold last month. Now, some people found it a bit expensive compared to basic models. Here's the thing though, if you want a machine that can do multiple tasks and last for years, it might just be worth the splurge. This is ideal for you if you like variety in your drinks and want something that can adapt to your preferences. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple setup without all the bells and whistles. Given its capabilities, it's an investment that pays off with regular use. And now, let's talk about a classic that offers simplicity without sacrificing quality.
Product number 5, Capresso Froth Pro. Last but not least is the Capresso 202.04 Froth Pro, priced at $54.98. What I found appealing is its patented technology designed for maximum frothing with minimal effort. If you want consistent results without the fuss, this product is worth a look. This frother has a 12-ounce heating capacity and an 8-ounce frothing capability, meaning you can whip up a decent amount of hot chocolate at once. The illuminated controls make it simple to choose between hot, warm, and cold options. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus when it comes to cleanup. With around 200 units sold recently, it seems to be a favorite among those who appreciate ease of use. Now, some customers mentioned that the froth might not be as thick as they expected. Here's the thing, it still produces a decent froth for most drinks, and if you're not overly picky, you'll be satisfied. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, straightforward frother that delivers good quality without extra complexity. Skip this one if you need something that can handle thicker mixtures or if you're after more advanced features. For its price, it offers great value for everyday use.
So there you have it, 5 fantastic hot chocolate makers. Whether you want something simple like the Capresso or something more advanced like the 8-in-1 frother, there's something here for everyone. Each has its perks, so choose based on what fits your style and needs best.